Ode to Motherhood. Oh, motherhood, you're a magical ride, where sleep's a luxury long denied. I used to be cool, a wild, free soul. Now I can't pee alone, that's my goal. I once wore clothes without spit or stains. Now, chic means wearing last night's remains. I can rock a baby while sipping my tea. But why, oh why, can't they nap till 3? Laundry's my nemesis, dishes my foe. Cleaning up glitter, it's the worst, you know. Snack time's a battle, socks go astray. How'd crumbs find their way into my bra today? Yet here I am, messy and true. Loving each giggle, each boo-boo too. For every tantrum, there's a kiss that's sweet. And sticky hugs make it all complete. Motherhood, oh, you're wild and weird. I laugh, I cry, but mostly I'm cheered. For chaos and love, and moments so bright. Here's to the moms who just get it right.